Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope I got the fucking brightness figured out. If I didn't, I'm very sorry, but there's no fixing it. Okay? Thanks. So I'm just gonna be doing my makeup today. I already primed with the Juno & Co. Moonshine Primer. This shit's pretty good. There's like hair on me and dust. I like moved my vanity off my desk and put it back on. I'm sorry if you can hear my mom outside. She's walking the dog, so yeah. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna get into doing the brows. So I'll zoom you guys just in a little bit, just so you can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna do them pretty light. I'm using the new brow microblading pen. Is that what it's called? Microfilling pen from Benefit in the darkest shade possible. So yeah, let's just get right into this before I scream. So I'm just using the ABH. Going on with my brows. I'm just gonna leave it because I just can't. I literally cannot right now. It's so hot in my room because this fucking ring light, this bullshit ass ring light. I so want to do that so badly. That's awesome. And then like, what was the other one? I think this is really cool. I just could not do that. My fucking brow. Oh my gosh. And this is pretty, but it's like I do cut creases all the time. Like I don't need to do this. Guys, my eyebrows, come on. Like who's gonna tell me? I just don't even know how to fix them, guys. I don't know. Okay guys, I'm back and this is what I created. So I'm gonna show you guys on the other side. I guess I'll like rotate this way. I don't even know. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay. So let's get into it, I guess. I'm gonna be priming with the Pete Louise base in Rumor 0.5. So now that's primed, I'm going to be taking the Jawbreaker palette. This is such a good palette. My boyfriend, actually shout out to him, he just bought me more of Jeffree Star's palettes. I don't know how y'all feel about him. I don't care how y'all feel about him, to be honest, because I just don't give a fuck about like all that shit. I don't know what he did this time. I don't care what he did this time. He makes really good like eyeshadow formulas, so that's what we're here for. So I'm taking bubblegum. Sorry, I got like too into it and I'm literally not even tapping this off, and I'm just putting it into the crease and just dabbing it in there. I'm not even blending it yet, and we're not gonna blend with this brush. We're just gonna like do the full cut crease like position or whatever. I guess this is kind of cool. I don't know know, I feel like I've done things before and I'm like, oh, that's just not cool, and then I'll look back on it in like a couple months and I'll be like, what the fuck was I thinking? That's wicked, like that's so crazy. But that'll be a couple months from now. I'll appreciate myself. It's just how it works. I don't really understand it either. So for the winged part, I'm honestly gonna kind of like wing it out. I'm not gonna tap this one just because it is a little different. I mean, definitely can, like, as long as you get the trace down and then like tap it in, definitely works. Yeah, I hope this lighting is good for you guys. I don't really know what else to do anymore. So then I'm gonna take this brush, it has no product on it, and I'm just gonna blend like the outskirts of the pink. So real quick, just blending it, not crazy. It's not really gonna blend that well anyway. Like we're not gonna sit here for like an hour and blend this because it is a cut crease and we do kind of want it to be a little bit harsher. You'll get the point. I just talk and I don't make sense, and then it pisses me off when I'm editing it, so I'm just not even gonna talk. Okay, so then I'm taking this brush. I don't even like finish my sentences. It's so fucking annoying. Okay, so now I'm taking this brush, and I don't even know if I'd like recommend using a brush like this for this, but anyway, I'm taking this really pretty fucking color. I don't even know if it's showing up. Like, it's showing up a little bit more orange on camera, but it's not, I promise. It's like a pretty ass like light pink corally color. It's called Fuck. So yeah, we're just gonna dab into that, and I'm gonna put this like right on the outskirts of it to be able to blend it. I honestly never really liked Jeffree Star's formula. And what palette was it? Oh, Blood Sugar, that's right. So I got Blood Sugar. I think my boyfriend definitely did buy it, but I don't know. I think it was like on sale or something. I know Jaclyn Hill used it, and that's why I wanted it, because that shit looked hella good. So I bought that and I love that. It just had such good formulas in it, and I had gotten, I think, his Thirsty palette, and I didn't like that at all. It was so trash. I still have it and I'm like trying to sell it. It's so trash. I don't know if it's like trash or just don't fuck with the colors. I really don't know what it is, but like, no, just no. So then I bought the Controversy palette, Conspiracy palette, I don't know, something like that. My boyfriend bought that for me, and I don't know what it was about that palette. I didn't really like it. I'm gonna take the primer again, which usually I don't cut my crease with this because it's ass, but I'm going to today because I did on the other side, so I feel like I have to. So yeah, I'm just gonna get a whole lot of that and cut my crease with it. But anyway, I got the Conspiracy palette. I don't know if it was a formula or like the colors. I did not really care for that hoe. I don't know why, but hold on, let me zoom you guys in a little bit. I don't know. The Conspiracy palette wasn't my favorite. I don't really know why. And then I bought the Jawbreaker palette, and that shit is just fire. And I think it's the colors. Like, I always like lean towards this palette for whatever reason, like any color that I need. But my boyfriend just bought me the Blue Blood palette, I think it's called, and then the Green Money one, and the Orgy palette. And then I'm just gonna take like a flat shader brush or whatever, and I'm just gonna go in with Virgin, which is just the white shade, just to set the primer. And I don't really care on like getting this super fine because, well, I do and I don't, because I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna go back in with this brush again and just go like around and like sharpen it up a little bit if you have to. See? Pretty. And then I'm gonna take the color Wow, the yellow color right there, and literally all I did for this shade, I got a bunch on my brush and I just went like this. Now I'm gonna go do my face makeup off camera and then come back to you guys once that is done to finish off the eyes, because I have like multiple face tutorial videos on my channel and it's just boring and it makes videos really long, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just put on some lashes from Lily Lashes in the style Hollywood, and okay, I'm feeling it or whatever. For the lower lash line, I think I just want to do the yellow, so that's what I'm gonna do. Is this? No, this is it. Okay, so again, I'm just gonna go in with that shade Wow, the yellow shade. And I'm just gonna, like, I don't even know, like, put it under my lash line, I guess. There we go. This lash over here is like giving me a freaking issue. My eye's itching. So I'm gonna go in with gumdrop, just like a tiny bit, and like bring this down and kind of blend it in and up. Oh, that's so pretty. Guys, look, I don't even know if you guys can see it. I hope you guys can see this look and stuff like that, because if not, like, I'm gonna be tight as fuck. And I know y'all gonna be tight as fuck. So yeah, I put like that color on the inner corner. If it looks crazy, it's just the fucking camera quality or something. I don't know, bitch. Oh my god, so I have my whole little thingy right here. Should we do purple or white? I think I'm just gonna do white. Let me just stick to white, right? I'm just gonna stick with white because otherwise I feel like I'm just gonna fuck shit up, so. Oh my gosh. So this is the final look. This is crazy. I like it. Okay, I think that's it. I'm really done here. Sorry for my hair being so poofy. This was literally a process just for the fucking lighting. I hope it's still good, because now it looks like too oversaturated and it looks like the lighting's like way too fucking bright. So I don't know what to do. Someone fucking help me, because I'm fucking clueless. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it'll help you out. I'll probably end up voicing it over because I don't even know what the fuck I did. I just look so good right now. I think it's really the lashes. Like, these lashes are like giving me very much bad bitch I will kill you and steal your money vibes. Like, okay. Yeah, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, I think I'm only going to post like once a week because I'm really trying to pass my math class. I'm like retaking it for the summer, and I'm really trying to pass it. Bye guys, I love you so much. Okay, look at my nails. Did I show you guys? Oh my god, I miss talking to you guys. Look at my nails, they're so cool. Okay, bye. Love you.